So Kevin Taylor. Onyeshi. I like that man.
Now, Owolemonko, Asamoah Gyan biaba bontene. Now, Asamoah Gyan story ni nyina say, or say, I have not been fair to the youth and the people of Ghana. Henceforth, I am not affiliated with any political party. Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan abetro statement to the ato abontene say ende onye MPP ni biem. Nkofo busa say, "Hey, na de na esi, de na ekoso. Asamoah Gyan aden MPP for Amoya Kronfo sa no matama Asamoah Gyan egu anim ase. Na Asamoah Gyan oye MPP for den. Ami yi mfo ne mbra. Enti nipa bebre ti Ghana omo busa say na MPP we no omo jimi ana e den na Asamoah Gyan e join ni omo from dadada e den na ma Asamoah Gyan. I'm trying to find something first. E den na ma Asamoah Gyan and sorry ya Asamoah Gyan say ono onye MPP ni biem. The question you should be asking yourself and say, a DNA ma Asamoah Gyan decided to obey release this statement, sir. BBS ana. Adentina Asamoah Gyan enye bold. Emba bontin be kanche Ghana for say, this is the reason why I'm say me MPP ni biem. Me try me pe bibi di achiro. Come. All right, emba me ambe yinaba. Now, konkonsa mu deo yese omu nyina yedin hey konkonsa enti ebusa question ne say yebusa question say adentina suddenly Asamoah Gyan betro say we deceive the youth of Ghana. Such statement away from Asamoah Gyan is a serious statement. He has not been fair, meaning he lied to the young people of Ghana. Me betina ka chem say Asamoah Gyan so okotobi suddenly Asamoah Gyan so ne ba omia nenam. Asamoah Gyan was doing politics with the youth of Ghana. Asamoah Gyan does not care about any young person in Ghana. Asamoah Gyan has always been a selfish individual. He has always cared about himself. Or the Ghana youth, that is what he would do. As we speak tonight, this statement from Asamoah Gyan should make every young person see Asamoah Gyan as Asamoah Gyan as a hypocrite. So Asamoah Gyan Bejina TV so can the young person say, oh, Tuma Baumia, MPP a party, or say Otu Gunsogun, because on one ABA the Numa Kachira will say the MPP as a political party, he joined them to campaign to lie to you, and the Wababe Kachira will say he has not been fair to you. It means Asamoah Gyan has done you damage. Asamoah Gyan is the enemy of the youth, and I expect the young people of Ghana to think. They be a catch them. These boys don't care about you people. They care only about themselves. Now, my mention the Kudientia, Asamoah Gyan say we jai MPP. Okay? My mention, Asamoah Gyan, the sing in say, Omu di Asamoah Gyan to. Yakas Omu di Asamoah Gyan to, it's in quote. There's this young man, this gentleman called Franklin. Papawi. Your friend Franklin. Right now, Sir Franklin way na konta any Samia Uku. I'm trying to get everything right for you. Me pese me de Franklin no ne social media handle show se ne be ya you will pull it out. Okay, now. This guy called Franklin Oware Samia Ukunya ba. Na Sir Franklin way on Samia Uku and a kofa Asamoah Gyan be joining Edien Baumia campaign. In fact, it was Samia Uku who brought Asamoah Gyan se Ombra embe joining Edien embe joining Baumia campaign. And then he used this guy who is Nakonta. Right? Now, this guy, on Samia Uku, Eddie Asamoah Gyan ebe joining a Baumia campaign. MPP forecast say Asamoah Gyan has a lot of record beer. It will solve the campaign of Baumia. And Samia Uku ka say, oh, we hear Asamoah Gyan. If it's Asamoah Gyan astate ADBFNO, Eddie regional tour on Nanam Ghana. Can some youth no inti omu person mu use Asamoah Gyan na ode omu de ne campaign Right? Now remember, Asamoah Gyan or started signing your mano. Omo approaching no. Omo catch Asamoah Gyan say, omo person omo mano the ministerial job. Omo person come here the sports minister. Enti omo ti committee na omo de Asamoah Gyan to ano say onye chairman of the sports committee no, because Asamoah Gyan na adwene wo fom nti. Na adwene ye ne say the sports committee Baumia manifesto committee no, technically wabeda ne minister. Enti omo wie manifesto committee sports omo ye omo manifesto wie no omo committee no. And when Asamoah Gyan be said Abi, the people are not even calling me again. At this point, they don't even respect me. What is going on? Into this guy, your friend Franklin, or no, and the lady Asamoah Gyan. Now Asamoah Gyan ever joining Baumia campaign. No? They made him understand, say they wanted him to lie to the young people of Ghana. On for the regional tour now, or you know, on converting into a campaign Emma Baumia. And it's a who say Asamoah Gyan now on the Baumia and na Samia Wuku and orchestrate winina. Now because Asamoah Gyan is not that smart, something happened. Omukacha Asamoah Gyan say sa ne regional tour adena odiabano. Say the tour the same time on the Baumia nama. Amount for be say sika bi ba no hwa. People will say Baumia any aban musika no matamaman because na oni omatna for money. And there was an amount they were going to pay Asamoah Gyan. That is $5 million. Asamoah Gyan untie $5 million. And Asamoah Gyan can say, okay, now what he wants to do is say, Sir Franklin guy will catch Asamoah Gyan and say, oh, person will change the registration of Asamoah Gyan regional tour no na man nipa na company ni be ne dia no ebe anonymous send be ya obian to me and connect say sika bi ba Asamoah Gyan wa it is not in the name of Asamoah Gyan. What happened was that this guy your friend Franklin Samia Wuku akonta no, he turned around and what he did was Sir Franklin when the nephew no what for see your friend no Prince Osei Ochre and akwa behind the scenes no omu change Asamoah Gyan the whole event no omu di edino ne wo fa se friend no Prince Osei Ochre omu di ni din without Asamoah Gyan's knowledge tie and ntina me no ka say Asamoah Gyan ohyedem osu. Now after they did the changes of the company, the name, the ownership no, this guy he's like an event organizer ne ade on this Samia Wukutina no mu say Asamoah Gyan Jimmy. So what they did was that sir $5 million no. When the money came inside, Asamoah Gyan enya access to the money. And a boy we ene Samia Wukumu a boost kadim. Until later, and Asamoah Gyan be say ne whole thing no sika no crampo so edia shem personally no over $300,000. Because remember, time about Baumia Efra Asamoah Gyan so me joining no. Now Asamoah Gyan started yes sa tour original tour no soccer the no. Now I invested close to $300,000 wom as sika na she. Inti inkofo we buy and Asamoah Gyan wa emre inti no dwen say this is the money. So ne Baumia na ntina so koye or affiliated with Baumia campaign na they are going to drop the $5 million for him. And a guy with your friend Franklin Samia Wuku den Samia Wuku akontane no or ware Samia Wuku nua ba into one Samia Wuku tina sia na modwene mu say Asamoah Gyan Jimmy. Into what they did was that they registered the whole thing in Ochre na your friend no Prince Osei Ochre akwa we wo fasini di mu. Into technically Asamoah Gyan was rendered stupid. Later Asamoah Gyan be won say manifesto committee na yeguno. Nobody is calling me. The money too I'm expecting to come in, the money I have put in, Ninina is gone. What is happening? I want Asamoah Gyan who say, Kai, I want to need the talk. And there was a meeting that at that point, Samia Wuku say Asamoah Gyan is angry. Nanko say Andrew Asamoah Gyan a press conference, a catcher Ghana for say, Baumia MPP for me a crom for. Baumia and Samia Wuku they've been calling Asamoah Gyan like 200 times. Asamoah Gyan is not picking up. Asamoah Gyan shedemu na osu. Oh, the monko or shadem na osu. Now, the man some require crazy didn't say after Brante Womofasi can do no, and this guy decided to go and meet Asamoah Gyan to go and lie to Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan ankasa fie. And this is what happened. Baby Jet. Enti akwa we kwa Asamoah Gyan fie no, de ekosi ho na me de be kire no monhwe. Enti Asamoah Gyan ko horo ene paye. Enti akwa ne be hia Asamoah Gyan sa ma story. Obesa hwebi memo asa hwebi. Oh, there's a longer version. Asamoah Gyan hwa ko bi aso mo abontene. Asamoah Gyan ko so mo chini tum. An innocent man. Asamoah Gyan hwe so mo room ho. Asamoah Gyan has to be in jail. Me mamo sound because me say me mamo sound be later. Asamoah Gyan needs to do a press conference because the documentations are made ebano. Asamoah Gyan, you cannot get out of this because you have basically lied to millions of young people in Ghana. Me catch you say what you are doing, no stop. But you were greedy. You thought to say, Obie Jimmy, you have done politics for a long time. You wanted to mislead the youth. Into this meeting, Franklin Eba be share Asamoah Gyan no. And Asamoah Gyan can say, na mo di misika. Mo sa ba ba keka into Samuel Ukude no gina gate nechi. Asamoah Gyan, at the end of the day, no, $5 million, no, he knows he needs to come out and tell us, say, dear, can be born as a memoir because I have more to show Ghana for. Monsan Shebi, where Asamoah Gyan on the Franklin, this is the meeting. Asamoah Gyan oni abudro. Na dem here say Asamoah Gyan deceive young people in Ghana. What he did, he needs to have a press conference. And think the young people in Ghana they could $5 million a Djka. Open sound the other sound out there. What is sound the other? What is sound the other? Mema sound in abutre na mo predodo. Mema mo sound, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne ba womia, mema wa Asamoah Gyan ne den Samia Wuku. Mema wo sound. I don't know opre wo ho. Open sound, open sound, mema wo sound. Now, I'm giving Asamoah Gyan 48 hours on the press conference. It will help him. Because when you go outside Ghana, Asamoah Gyan has no credibility again. Asamoah Gyan outside Ghana, they see him as a chronic liar who wanted to use unim. Asamoah Gyan cannot go out there and sell anything to anybody out there, say, or pese or ye bibima the youth of Ghana. He is a liar. And it's going to follow him. Because young people in Ghana, Asamoah Gyan wanted to just go sell them for $5 million. Keke. And anytime I catch them conform to TV, nobody did attempt yet Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan there. Asamoah Gyan is greedy. Meno kasa na juwa shademu su. Sign the 16 regional tours ne gu. Right now he has no option than go and borrow money and do it. Only ska. All right. More person I then me say part 2, part 3 wo ho. And this problem Samia Uku Sasika make Samia Uku dimbe 2.5 million waje. And into Samia Uku sorry no to media. Also Ghana media obi antumi ka Samia Uku asem. We tia obi aka. Samia Uku has paid every media house. Samia Uku the best job and say we a media person now you're critical, he will find a way to become your friend. And the first thing he will do is to try and say, oh, and the way they were him, and that is what he does. Into every journalist in Ghana, 90% of them, Samia Uku has given them money. And to me, Samia Uku because Samia Uku catch also a presidential ambition. Me say what to say obi aka Samia Uku wasamda. They don't. They know Samia Uku is committing crime at NLA. They don't because no, the strategy you say. Or spread this sika our ground media houses obema oskati here he will pay you and no krampontina Asamoah Gyan same way media no they are not on it because this goes to the spine of soccer players in Ghana. This is dangerous. Asamoah Gyan misled millions of young people. This is not a joke. This is something the media need to call out Asamoah Gyan and tell him that he should be ashamed of himself and he should not come close to anything called we are organizing soccer. The media needs to be very, very strict on somebody on Monsa so because Samia Uku is telling them that they should not speak on it. And this goes to the spine of Bawumia's campaign. The Bawumia's campaign has always been about lies. People they don't care about Ghanaians. They don't care about anybody. So also be the Bawumia na na kasa of the bemano. It is not about your interest. It is not about you, the young person watching Asamoah Gyan. Asamoah Gyan does not care about you. Asamoah Gyan needs his money. So nisika ma the same thing occurring in Brazil no or coach boys CBH say munye demonstration na make captain their main kasa the same thing he did in Brazil time na end this war power Asamoah Gyan ko share boys CBH and o then okwo wo moti because munye demonstration the president then called Asamoah Gyan, let me talk to you captain or say onye riff like you. Asamoah Gyan did not talk to the president because they wanted the NDC to make a mistake. Send a the partner of finance na beba power. And the one with the omudia no. Omuwie na no de come ateni say Sule Muntari aboa. Muntari una ye teni yendi di Sule Muntari atem. Sule Muntari de no ye. Player ben na camp one Djka bi. But at the end of the day it was Sule Muntari on na ye teni aboa e betu be di na tem moa. Sa asem na si wo camp no. Enya Asamoah Gyan na captain Tonado Muna den ye wie ye ka say oh Sule Muntari wo Sule Muntari wo na wudinda so player ben na camp one Djka ni bi kwasiafo we na mudidi omachi bloggers bedidi bloggers a video bedidi Kevin tell afa wodu ochira obi a betu rent and then they say 532 532 and then 12 September what you rent and bloggers bedidi bloggers papa befie me ba dia bo didi bloggers mo fa we nko why ochira mesa another one many Asamoah Gyan in you me say on my press conference. All right, now mo me nko enim it's exactly 5:33 which is 9:33 in Ghana. You kwasia de tibo e bititi TV so Kevin Taylor or Asamoah Gyan so kwasia wo skada wa bobra wo skada munja jimi no munti bibia se amombre mo ho ase mo hu fiefin mo da mu fin se bola so mo bo brother mo ni ma de friend bra mo yisika bo brother de bia mo wo se mpreko mo nya adwene mo kan Asamoah Gyan mo ko busa no oh Lord and we the total rejected ballot